Okay, so we'll look next at exercise 13 using modify configurations. So if you open up the little assembly configs part, you should have something like this. And we're going to pop across to our configuration tab, and if we add a configuration, and we call this one inst1, and I'm going to just make sure we suppress new features and components, and I'm just going to get rid of those planes as well. I don't want those showing up each and every time. Okay, so once we got that done, if we enter new design table, so we got one part in there. I'm going to delete the first two columns, the descriptions. Don't really want those. And in here, then just go through a few of the parts. So let's see what we need. So we need the drawbar and the ball. So drawbar is that one, and the ball then being this one on the end. Just going to add these to our part, and then the next one is the L bracket. Which one is the L bracket? Is that one there? Okay, so L bracket, and the small strap then is that. So small strap, subphase assembly is that, subphase plate, and then the chain hanger is that part. Okay, so it's the chain hanger, and then the U-bolt. So that's the U-bolt. Yep. So that's the U-bolt, and we just resize those a little bit. And you can see it's got resolved in each one of those. So suppressed and unsuppressed is our part level. At assembly level, it's resolved or suppressed. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly replace all those with the letter R, just so I can resize my columns, make this box a little bit more user-friendly size-wise. So all that, and copy those rows down. So instant 1 has got the small strap. So well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just kind of copy the 4 instances down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll pop in the S's as I kind of need. So the L bracket, it's S and S, and then the small strap is just suppressed here, and then the subphase plate is suppressed there, and then that's chain hangers okay, and the U-bolt is the last 3 are suppressed. So we kind of quickly do that. And what I'll do as well, I'll delete the default one. I don't really want that default one now. So I got instance 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, and hopefully we can check anyway. So make sure I got all those columns correct. Do a quick check. Oops. Small strap is suppressed up here as well. I'll pop that one in. 3 R's and 3 R's. Okay, so that looks kind of close enough to being right. So I can kind of click out of that. And it says design table generate the following configuration. So it created a few more for me there. So pop along here, and I can kind of delete this default one now. And just check our little parts. And you see it's still got those annoying planes kind of popping on. And again, so there we go. So it was just quick check. So that's instance 1. 2, just check about my drawing as I kind of do it. Instance 3, and instance 4. So that's okay. So that's my 4 instances done. So pop along with add the rust cover. And rust cover's got them all, is it? So add to all configurations. Okay. So insert component. browse, and I'll go for my part, and it's called Rust Cover. Pop it in there, and I just made it then, so using concentric mate, and also because it kind of can flip around there, we just use a little parallel mate then on that face, and we'll make it to this part here. This is the part it really wants to be with, so parallel mate to that, and that's my Rust Cover pop on. Let's just check and see. You see, because we had it sort of locked off and all, it only appears in instant 1. So I can come back here and I can kind of do it this way, I suppose, just as well. Configure component and unsuppress it from those other options. So I could go into my design table as well, so you can use a bit of both on that. Let's go back to my configurations and check one more time that the Rust covers in each and every one of them. Okay, so that's that part kind of done. If I go to instance 4, just to kind of make it easier myself, just you can explode the view then, which kind of, you have to do each one of these individually, but you can explode these views. And simply just kind of click on the exploded view, pick on the part, and then it's really just whatever direction you want it to kind of go, and you can kind of move up. And again, you can see you can kind of pick the dimensions there, and if I go down, you can actually pop the dimensions in here. We're just going to move them roughly by hand. So if we move that part up this way, if I move this part, say then in that direction, and in this part up that direction, and you can click on that again if you really wanted to kind of, just to show you can kind of move it in 2 directions, and then move that part up in that direction. So you can kind of move them and explode them like that. Click OK on that, and you see it's an exploded view within that instance. So we've still got our sort of normal instances, and we've got our exploded view as well. And you can do that on each and every one of them, and set up a little exploded view that you can kind of bring into an assembly as well if that's what you want. Okay.